With the introduction of two remarkable EVs, the VF6 and VF7, VinFast, the up-and-coming star in the electric vehicle market, has made its formal debut on the Indian automotive scene. These cars, which combine cutting-edge technology, contemporary design, and an emphasis on sustainability, mark a new era for the company. Let's examine the factors that could make these two EVs revolutionary in the Indian market. Built from the ground up, the VinFast VF6 is an electric small SUV that combines functionality and contemporary style. The V-Light DRLs, a slender strip that runs across the top of its shut-off front end, are its most notable feature. It is combined with LED headlamps and a simple bumper to create an aerodynamic, futuristic appearance. Its slightly longer wheelbase and pseudo-SUV attitude make it more stable and roomier than rivals like the Hyundai Creta, while subtle power lines on the hood give it a strong touch. For increased economy and a fashionable edge, the VF6 has 19-inch aerodynamic wheels. The design extends smoothly to the back, where its V-shaped tail lamps are complemented by a rising beltline and tapering roofline. Its all-electric nature is emphasized by the straightforward back bumper. Although the interior was inaccessible, a huge touchscreen is anticipated for a technologically advanced experience. In the EV market, the VF6 is expected to be a stylish, cutting-edge, and effective choice. VinFast provides two battery options under the VF6 hood, or rather, under the floor. With a 59.6 kWh battery pack and 201 horsepower, the base model offers strong and seamless performance for both city and highway travel. The VF6 is anticipated to go on sale by the second half of 2025, with production set to start at VinFast's new plant in Tamil Nadu. In order to position it competitively in the Indian EV market, pricing is expected to be in the 20 lakh area. Inspired by an aircraft's aerofoil for aerodynamic efficiency, the VinFast VF7 is a sporty and opulent crossover with the brand's iconic V-shaped front design. Below, a unique X-shaped feature gives its streamlined fascia personality. It is 4.5 meters long, with a low roofline and a coupe-like profile with 19-inch black finished wheels for a striking posture. Albeit, there might not be much headroom in the back. The C and D pillars, which were influenced by the BMW i3, add to the futuristic appearance. Its obvious two-tone inside features a sporty steering wheel and a 13-inch central touchscreen for premium appeal, and its 2.84-meter wheelbase offers respectable internal room. Performance is enhanced by the VF7, which comes with two powerplant options. A version with just one motor that generates 201 horsepower, a more potent dual-motor model that produces an incredible 348 horsepower. A 75 kWh battery pack is included with both setups, providing an amazing 450 kilometers of range. That is more than enough for both daily commuting and lengthy getaways. The VF7 mimics the VF6's streamlined design cues in the back. It is easily recognized by its vertically positioned lights and V-shaped LED tail lamps. Additionally, it has an incorporated spoiler that both improves aerodynamics and deftly conceals the back wiper. The largest sunroof in its class is one notable feature of which VinFast is very proud. Passengers' driving experience will be improved by the cabin's spacious glass roof, which will give it an open, airy atmosphere. With the help of a Tamil Nadu production plant, VinFast's debut into the Indian market with the VF6 and VF7 demonstrates its dedication to the EV sector. The VF7 caters to fans of athletic crossovers, while the VF6 delivers a fashionable and useful little SUV. They will compete with the MG CS EV and Hyundai Kona Electric with prices ranging from 20 to 30 lakhs. The VF6 and VF7 are evidence of VinFast's creative approach, which is providing a new outlook to the Indian EV market. These vehicles have the ability to upend the market because of their sleek, contemporary styling, technologically advanced interiors, and remarkable performance metrics. As we wait for the production deployment in 2025, the countdown starts. As of right now, VinFast has given us a preview of what electric mobility in India may look like in the future. Thrilled? Which of these two vehicles would you most like to see on Indian roads? Tell us in the comment section below.